Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn ChatGPT4 tutorial. Yes, a crash course on ChatGPT for beginners. So why be late? How to use and what the criteria and where the positions you can make it on master. Very few only we will like to show you today. Yes, you can explore more on it to want to make a master in less time. Why don't you wait? Let's begin. Before initiating, if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. Let's see. Go to Google. As an introduction, I'll show you first thing. Go to Google and hit ChatGPT and very simply, if you are a beginner, let's see. So Google is identifying here that introducing ChatGPT, OpenAI. Yes, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot. This tool is developed by OpenAI, launched in November 2022, built on top OpenAI's GPT-3 family. The version which is initiated with the 3.5 and GPT-4, now it is a familiar on large language model for complex queries to give a certain a very more accurate result for user requirements. So it is a fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement of learning techniques which are added more in ChatGPT4. Yes, let's see now. It's a free account, you can have it. So go to click here in the first link, then introducing ChatGPT. We have a trained model called ChatGPT with an interactive conversational way. When you ask a question, ChatGPT will respond you with a more accurate solution or possible answer. So the follow-up questions we will see try ChatGPT. First thing, if you are new to ChatGPT, you have to sign up using Microsoft or Google account, having a free account to start OpenAI account. If you are already registered, go to login. I am logged in with the Microsoft Google account, so I am continuing with the Google and choosing my Gmail account to log in successfully. Yes, if it is the other account, you have to specify an OTP or authentication, then you will be logged in successfully and you will be here in this particular window. So once you logged in, you will see a new chart in the left side, and here is an history. If you are already have any queries, you will be seen here the query as well as the solution. And ChatGPT4 is launched for upgrade to plus, so making a great responses with the less time, with a more accurate. Yes, for plus you have to pay some minimum subscription of fee. You just go to find out here, and if you want to go for a supermaster in less time and having in a professional version of ChatGPT4, you go for this, or else you can go here how the compatibility and what the suggestions ChatGPT will give us, we'll see in this video lecture. Now here, once you logged in, you will see in the prompt is going to be blinking here. How the prompt we can use it? Yes, if you are using ChatGPT as well as, and if you are using WhatsApp, means how you will send a message to the people, other persons or friends or groups. The same way you have to send a message to ChatGPT of your queries. So here very simply we can use it, and see, I'm asking what is ChatGPT. Just I am asking a query to the same query to ChatGPT. What we will see, let's see. So when I am submitting my question, ChatGPT will understand what is the question, how he is asking, then analyze and understand. It will respond us. It will respond us in very short time. So here, a very super easily we can see, I am ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. I am based on GPT, generative pre-trained transformer architecture, especially 3.5 when it is released. Now it is the most advanced of ChatGPT4 is launched for AI. It's an artificial intelligence language model available. My purpose is to generate human-like responses to various prompts and questions. Using vast database of text information, I have been trained Yes, this chatbot is trained with the like a different type of human requirement data in all the categories, most of the categories. So let's see. This is the way we can ask a question, we can get a response from ChatGPT. So I'm very much interested to getting like a shopping ideas. See, like I have a general question I'm trying to asking in my mind. For my lunchtime, it's making. I want to cook a seafood today. I want to cook a seafood today. So what I need, I'm asking, suggest any, yes, suggest any few dishes or dish ideas. I'm just asking, and also I can ask where it is available. If you want, you can ask it. So just I'm sending to the like my ChatGPT bot, and what the response I may get it. Let me check it. See, ChatGPT is analyzing my question, the neural network, and the analyzing where the dictionary which is already data is available inside the ChatGPT, and the ideas it is going to be making. Sure, ChatGPT is suggesting here are a few seafood dishes you could consider making. Grilled shrimp skewers, thread some large shrimps into the skewers, brushes with the olive and oil, and season of salt, pepper, and other spices if you are added. Grill over a medium high heat 2 to 3 minutes. How to cook the idea also ChatGPT is supporting to me. How to cook this idea it is also giving to me. And pan, see the second item 2-3 minutes how to use it. So if you don't know anything at the moment, if you don't know anything to do, why are you waiting? Open ChatGPT today and try your query. What do you want? Yes, if you want to making a plan for somewhere else, it's maybe travel, or it may be any other plan of birthday party, how to celebrate for a year of person. What the gift if you want to suggest any gift for a birthday boy or girl of the years, what type of gift you want to present. ChatGPT will suggest to you. Yes, see, I'm stopping by like generating this query. Yes, many of the questions. If you want to stop the question, you can stop it and regenerate. If you are not satisfied with the answer or query response, you can just try to regenerate by adding any of the phrases or words you are interested. Now let's see. Coming to coders who are getting and making a great job opportunities and want to create a real world real time projects or own apps. How it is possible? It is really possible. If you know the basics of Python or any other programming language would you like, or I can suggest you, if you want to learn basics from Python, use ChatGPT to start. Yes, you can also ask to see, I want to learn, like, yes, I want to learn Python. Okay, I want to learn Python. Suggest best curriculum. I just which is a query in my mind. I'm trying to asking to ChatGPT. See who doesn't know what type of curriculum want to learn in Python. Let's see. Python crash course. Python like books are suggesting. Python basics, data structures and algorithms. Yes, who wants to enter into the coding or programming? Yes, they need and have a great idea about all these things. See, web development for Python commonly used for web development, learning about the web frameworks like Django, Flask, anyone. So step by step guide you have to go. Machine learning projects, as you learn all the things, maybe basics or advanced, you have to implement a like a real-time one project. How it is possible? Without like having an idea of learning basics and advanced, how it is possible to do the project? Yes, for this, what you need to do, join a communities of Python group of developers, Facebook or any other social media teams or developers who are interested to sharing their knowledge. Join over there as a freelancer or like as an internship. are a free services, you can join them and cope up with them and work with their project, then definitely you will learn the ideology you can build in your own. See, and also not only getting any suggestions, want to know how to write a program. See, like write a basic calculator program in Python. Let's see, just I'm trying to asking ChatGPT any of the requirement if you need, you just try to ask ChatGPT. Yes, it's implementing a completely Python basic calculator program with the options of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If you need any percentage, and that way you just add it and you just ask ChatGPT to write a program. It is writing and sharing you. If you know how to run your Python code in your own IDE, you just copy code and write in your own local development area. It's absolutely free. It's absolutely free. So now we'll see on JavaScript coding. So build a JavaScript script. Yes, build a JavaScript program on. What is the program we will try to ask them? Maybe ask like a calculator. Yes, simply which is in my mind. Let's see, which is the program earlier we have seen in Python. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to specifying by JavaScript language. Yes, JavaScript is in a front-end language where we can, it's like a scripting language where we can build and develop programs for client side, like a lightweight responsive apps, which is nowadays most of the popular in client side development. Along with the JavaScript, there is a like AngularJS, React.js, which are building a great potential of real-time e-commerce portals. Let's see, all the code is built by JavaScript. Our ChatGPT how is suggesting and supporting copy code and become a very less time you would be become a master in your interesting and your area. Now let's see, I would like to ask, write a short story on, short story on comedy. Let's see, maybe any of the genre you are interested, you just ask ChatGPT, definitely you will get. So it's a creating one day Jack here. It is a short story, it's for a comedy, it is generating. What is the genre you would like to and you are interested, you just ask ChatGPT to get it. It's a super easy to create your own way. Why don't you wait and come to the point? Legal and copyright templates. You want to make it any legal documents, I just try to ask, write a sale deed template for house sale. Or you can ask, write a rental agreement template for house rent. You just try to ask ChatGPT as a legal standards. If you want like a country of India standards of sale deed, you just ask ChatGPT. Definitely you will get a simple format how you need. Write a copy of copyright templates and many of the information of legal informations which are world acceptable legal aspects, you will get it. So just I'm stopping to making more. So very beautifully sale deed is prepared. And one more, if you need any jokes, suggest any few jokes. Just simply I'm asking for suggest any few jokes. Yes, why did the tomato turn red? Because it see the sealed dressing. Why don't you call the beer into the teeth a gummy beer? So simply you just ask ChatGPT, you can get it more smile on your face while learning. And if you want to make it any funny things, you can ask. And you need any suggestions, you can ask. So I'm just trying to asking like uh, prepare a covering letter for my job application. Okay, you just add any of type of job. If you are having any idea, you just ask, like specify there in your query clearly. How the query is clearly you are mentioned, yes, ChatGPT will give you the such a great response with the more accurately it will give you. So the covering letter it is preparing. I'm writing to express my interest in the position at the role of the company, advanced, and the company website, or how you are referred. This you can take a copy and move into Word document, where you can letter preparation software is available in your computer system. There you can make it, the filling the gaps, the company names, and where the brackets are there, you can fill it. And if you need any idea, have an idea, just make it customization. You need not to be an expert in English even. Yes, just try to make sure to get your covering letter very easily in fingertips. Prepare a resume for software, any software fresher I'm hitting, any area of job interesting. You just specify the keyword and ask a resume preparation. Why don't you wait? It will prepare a resume for you. Your name, address, these things, objective, education qualifications, technical qualifications, and project development. What the like a duration of the project, how it is prepared, and project name, internships if you have done, certifications if you have done any, certified Python programming, and personal skills, references. You can add it. How beautifully the resume preparation is done. And now I just ask an article, write a article for a, write an article for, yes, anything you can write it, ChatGPT will understand, no problem. Write an article for a, what I can set you, like for the article for country development, country COU, yeah, country development, yes, development, with like we need some words, no, with 500 words minimum. Just I'm asking, yeah, about an country's development, 500 words I'm asking, minimum 500 words. See how ChatGPT is suggesting for us. India's development, it is a taking by defaultly which is the my location. So if you want any country, you can make it. So it is asking like, wow, it's a India country has a long way to terms development for being a predominantly agrarian economy, becoming hub for IT service industry. India has transformed many ways over the past few decades. 1947 development journey begins. Country gained the independence British rule. So the information which is giving a beautiful article, and if you need any of the storytelling or articles or any suggestions, these all are copyright free. You can use it your own way. So whoever you want to use ChatGPT for all the categories, you may try today, and by making a great responses, how many we have seen today. So in this way we are preparing. This is a clear ChatGPT4 tutorial, a crash course on ChatGPT for beginners who are entering and who wants to know and initiating their categories independently. My conclusion, by learning any of the way which you are more focusing, there you can learn the things and apply by asking ChatGPT queries and get the more advanced information by ChatGPT, and add your real-time applicable things and grow your way in less time more than others. If you feel this video lecture is really helping you, please do subscribe and support. And also, Hari System is offering most of the trending online courses from scratch to expert level. If you are interested, watch below description links. Thank you.